Bah, who cares about dust and leaks? We've used these old hose clamps for years and they're cheap and nasty. Just how I like it.
Mr. Scrooge, sir, the clamps on line 3 broke again. It'll take hours to replace them, and we've lost another batch of powder.
Just replace them then. Stop wasting my time. Time's money.
More like dust is money flowing away in the air.
What in the dickens is this?
Ebenezer Scrooge, you have been plagued by inefficiency and waste. Your old clamps are failing you and your staff. Tonight, you will be visited by 3 spirits who will show you the error of your ways.
Spirits? Is this going to cost me money?
It will save you money. Be warned.
Bah, nonsense.
Come with me, Scrooge.
It doesn't quite fit.
It doesn't matter, boy. I only care about the cost. Now keep going.
Your clamps were never ideal, and you refused to upgrade as technology improved, Ebenezer.
But I was saving money.
Look around you, Scrooge. Your factory is a disaster. Workers sick, production lost, powder wasted.
If only Scrooge would invest in BFM fittings. They're much cleaner and safer.
Yeah, and they'll last much longer.
As if I'd spend money on that. No, it can't be. Is there no hope? Can this future be mine? Tell me what to do. I'll do it. I'll switch to BFM fittings. Merry production, everyone. No more dust, no more downtime, and no more misery.
It's a Christmas miracle, sir.
These blue band connectors are the key to our future.